Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Amirazi Fashion YouTube channel. So today we are making this trendy Bubu Kaftan Long dress. It's very beautiful. You can see the material that we are using. And on the cover picture, it has V-neck, but doing round neck because our last video was a V-neck. So I'm changing my own to round neck. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share my video with your friends, tell them to subscribe so that the channel can grow, and you can comment, give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. We have a lot on this channel already, so you can also check our other videos that we have made so that you can also learn how to cut these ties on your own. Don't forget, that's the essence of making this video. Please watch this video to the end, guys.
Yes, this is our material that we are using to make this our Bubu Kaftan gown. So this is the body measurement we want to use now, and the body measurement is 17.5 is what I'm using here now. So I will take 17.5 throughout to get that body measurement. So because it's a Bubu Kaftan that we are making. So after that, now what we will start for, we'll start with the neck. So I'm marking the neck. It's a round neck, it's not a V neck, because we have done something like that before. So that's why I'm marking it with a round neck. The neck that I marked there is 4. Bringing it down is 2.5. So I don't want it to be too down, so it's 2.5 that I'm bringing it down there now. So I've just covered it together that round neck. And what I'm doing here now is cutting everything together. So the front and the back is what I'm cutting together. So where I'm also pointing out is where I want to slant it, that is the shoulder side, 1.5. So I will roll it and get that our shoulder slope. So that is the slope that I'm sloping it down there now, that is the shoulder side. So after that, we'll just mark it out so that we'll go and stitch it on our machine. So what I'm doing there also is the armhole side, where it will start from the armhole. What I'm marking there is 9. It's 9 that I'm marking there now, 9. So that is where we'll sew. From there we'll sew it out to get our sleeve, because it's all cut together, and it will also form the armhole. So that is the half length, because I want it to be tight on the waist side. The half length that I'm marking from the shoulder is 16.5. So I will measure exactly the waist, and the waist that I'm marking there now is 30. So it's 30 that I'm marking there now. So I want it to be tight on the waist, that is to shape on the waist. That is what I'm doing there now. So you see how I will curve it out. I'm also putting out the allowance that I will use and sew. That is my sewing allowance. So please watch my video to the end, subscribe to my channel, share to your friends so that they can also see my video and watch and learn from it. So can you see what I'm doing there now? So I'm just shaping it out for you to see how it will be, because that is the waist side. So after that, we just bring it out so that it will now flow at the downside of the gown that we are making. So that is what I'm doing there now. So I'm marking it to get where it will shape it out. So that is what I'm marking, and what I'm marking there now is 37. That is from the shoulder side. 37 is what I'm marking there now. So from there you just take it out. That's why you can see the way I'm pointing it out for you to see how it will be. So just use my hands to get that straight line. So that's what I'm doing there now. So can you see it? So you can see that the material we are even using is beautiful. So please subscribe to my channel once more, I'm begging, so that more people can watch my video and watch it to the end. I want you guys to watch my video to the end, comment, share it to your friends, so that they too can learn for this video and make it on their own, so that you can wear it out. So when you sew, you wear it out and you'll be proud of doing your own thing. So that is why you are watching this video, and that's why we are also showing it for you to see. So can you see what I'm pointing out there now. So that 37 is what I'm pointing out for you to just go and flow. So that is the Bubu Kaftan that we are making. Remember, it's the Bubu Kaftan, and we are cutting it all together, meaning the front and the back is what I'm cutting all together at once, and it's a round neck. So please make your own, subscribe to my channel. So I'm cutting the neck now. So after cutting the neck, I'll take it to the machine to go and join the shoulder and run it out, that is to sew it out, and before you know it will be ready to wear out. So that's what I'm doing here now. So that is the shoulder. I'm sloping it, that is cutting it out from the shoulder side. So can you see what I'm doing there now? So that's what I'm doing, cutting it out now. So after that now, remember, you take it to the machine and go and stitch. So that is what I'm doing there. Please, can you see from that armhole side is where I will now get the cutting. So can you see where I mark that line is where I'm getting the cutting to that our waistline, that is the half length that will get our waistline, and also cut it out, take it outside so that it will flow. Remember, it will shape at the waist side, and can you see the shaping side now? So after that, you just take it out and it will flow out at the downside of it now, of this Bubu Kaftan. Remember, it's a Bubu Kaftan that we are making. So that's what I'm cutting out there. So it has not finished, but you can see the shape has come out, and by the time we will go and stitch it on the machine and also wear it, you also see it there how it will comes out. So that is the material, and that is the style Bubu Kaftan. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my video to the end, share to your friends, let them watch it to the end. Please watch my video to the end. So now I'm cutting at the downside of it. You see my camera is not showing you, but that's what I'm doing. I'm cutting it at the downside of it now. So that is it now. So can you see it now? So now the cutting is done. So let my camera show you what I'm doing at the downside of it now. So can you see it now? So I will take it to the machine and stitch the shoulder side and stitch the body side, and it will be ready to wear out. So this is it now. So I'm also marking it down again. So that is where I will also cut, and it will also fly out. Remember, it will also fly out. Call it Bubu Kaftan, call it Bubu. So that is what I'm doing there now. So can you see what I'm doing there now? So that is it now. So I'm cutting it out again for you to see. Is the cutting that I'm seeing doing there now. So it's my camera that's not showing you well. That's why I'm showing it for you to see what I'm doing at the downside of it, cutting it. So that's what I'm doing there now. So this you will do your own. I want you to try and do it on your own and sew it out and wear it out, and people will see that you can sew these styles on your own. So please, can you see how it is now? Very beautiful.
Yes, our Bubu Kaftan gown is ready. You can see how beautiful it is. So guys, try to cut these ties on your own. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share my video with your friends, tell them to subscribe, comment, give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. We have a lot to offer. Please stick to my channel because we are going to also upload beautiful and trendy styles for you to learn how to cut and sew it on your own. So stick to my channel. Thank you once more for watching. I love you guys. Bye bye.